Hello guys, welcome back to Steve TV channel. My name is AC, a Kenyan content creator based in Nairobi.
And I'm Steve. In this channel of ours, we do the house hunting and house tour services.
So guys, for house hunting services, you can reach us through the number on top of the screen. Apart from that, you guys, remember you are our boss. So don't fail to like, share the video, and most importantly, subscribe.
Welcome to our channels, Steve TV. So today we are in a house hunting mission. And our mission today is on a one-bedroom apartment. It's a brand new apartment constructed in Imara. So the house is an 8th floor house. Well finished. That is the external look of an apartment. So guys, the apartment goes at 15,000. The fee is affordable for one bedroom. Then for a bed sitter, the video is coming up for a bed sitter. I'm still finishing it. So guys, this is a one bedroom apartment. In Imara, just closer to Mwindi Mweusi. So apartment goes at 15,000. So guys, enjoy, watch the video to the end.